All right, guys, I know it's been a while. It's been a while, but gotta do it. All right, so we are here at Yaamava in the hotel. Our very first time checking in. We got the king, basically the king suite is what you would call it. Very nice. All right, that's the restroom. This is the bathroom there. Lovely robes. Now, what excites us is the shower. Oh my gosh. See-through from the room. So you basically have, they do have a curtain that you can close. You can block off the shower that way, but it's pretty much open. And then you go into your room. It is nice. I like it. You have a little stationery envelope, paper, and pen you can take with you. Here goes the tribe. Of course, they have a little pantry here where you have your complimentary coffee. I wish it had a light in here. Coffee maker. There goes all your coffees and creams. Have your free water, your ice bucket. You do have to call them to bring up ice. Has a little refrigerator. Not bad. Nice artwork. Came with a couch, and we had two options to face poolside or mountainside. And of course, I picked mountainside because it is, as you can see, it's raining, but it is supposed to snow tonight. You can see a little bit. Let me see if I can close it out, the light. You kind of can see a little bit of snow on top. But yep, this is the new rooms. Oh, you can see some snow. I don't know if you can see, it's not clear, but there's some snow on the mountain right there. The light. Anthony, turn off the light. Let me see all the lights. Let me see if we can see out. Okay, there you go. There's a mountain full of snow. But yep, this is our view. They do have rooms that have balconies. As you can see, that'll be our next one. Probably summertime. We had free play last night. Came in, parked the truck because they do have semi truck and trailer parking. So we parked the truck up on the top of the hill. Came in to play our free play. Hubby had 800 and I had 1,000. I hit 2 hand pays last night. Should have recorded, but forgot my phone. We both forgot our phones in the truck, so couldn't capture it. But we'll be back next. No, we play Monday. So today's Friday. Checking in tonight, and we're gonna go ahead and play Monday. Kind of when it's dead in the casino. The weekends, everyone's here. We like to play during the week. So, yep, this is the hotel at Yaamava. Very pretty. I love this. Can't wait to see all the snow falling. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later.